it's Megan with WTI, and one of my all-time favorite snacks is hummus. And if you've ever made hummus before, then you know that an essential ingredient is tahini. And not all tahinis are created equal, but this Soom tahini is incredibly good. I personally consider this Soom tahini to be the best of the best because of its incredibly creamy, non-grainy texture. I love that when I look at the ingredients, it only has one ingredient, sesame seeds only. This feels great to know because I know exactly what I'm putting into my body and there's no strange or unfamiliar ingredients in there. I've purchased other brands of tahini in the past and never have I come across one that was so incredibly smooth as this Soom tahini. It's so silky and luscious and has that great toasty sesame seed flavor that goes perfectly in my hummus recipe. It blends in with the chickpeas and the other ingredients for the hummus like they were made for each other. Now that I've tried this Soom tahini, I can't imagine using any other kind of tahini for my favorite hummus recipe. And that's my point of view.